Hello and welcome to this lecture video regarding snow traction, safety and traffic in Salt Lake City's Big Cottonwood Canyon, State Route 190. Let's identify the problem. Driving up Big Cottonwood Canyon in the winter poses a challenge for drivers and their cars. It is difficult and dangerous to drive in snowy condition up a curving mountain canyon pass. Drivers without the properly equipped snow tires can cause traffic hazards on the road that lead to traffic backup or standstill, cause safety hazards for other drivers on the road, and can ultimately cause road closures. These issues could be mitigated if drivers properly chain their vehicle tires for snow traction. Unfortunately, there are not that many opportunities to chain up while driving up the canyon. There are two chain-up spots before you reach the top of the mountain, as you can see on the image here. These chain-up spots are also not properly advertised, with signage not being noticed enough to properly alert drivers. The chain-up areas provided may also not be user-friendly, with unclear traffic paths and not enough space for the volume of travelers. Next, let's discuss what other snowy states have done to alleviate their similar issues. In Oregon, they have implemented a snow chain installation system where they have trained employees chain up the tires of drivers before they travel up snowy roads. In Washington, they doubled the size of the chain up areas and added an organized single-file car system to prevent congestion in the area. In Washington, they also added smart traffic signs that can change speed limits when chain up is required and to display real-time traffic capacity ahead, as well as direction on how to chain up. Next up, two proposed solutions to alleviate the traffic and improve safety while driving in snowy conditions up the canyon. Constructing a new chain-up area in Big Cottonwood Canyon would make winter driving safer and more efficient. It gives drivers a safe, flat spot to put on chains instead of stopping on narrow shoulders. It also keeps traffic flowing by preventing backups and blocked lanes during snowstorms. On the right, you'll see the projected cost breakdown. The construction subtotal comes in around $310,000, which includes everything from grading and paving to drainage and lighting. We've added 10% for design and engineering and a 20% contingency to account for slope variability and environmental review. That brings the total estimated project cost to approximately $409,000. This investment not only improves traffic flow, but also enhances safety for commercial and passenger vehicles navigating canyon conditions. Here is the proposed location for construction. As you can see, it is located at a straight stretch along the curving canyon. Adding retaining walls and compacted fill to the allotted area will turn this side of the mountain into a new chain-up area to safely serve commuters traveling the canyon. Implementing a location-based mobile alert system could greatly improve driver awareness and safety during winter conditions in Big Cottonwood Canyon. By using the Wireless Emergency Alert WEA network or integrating with the UDOT traffic app, automated notifications could be sent directly to drivers' iPhones and other mobile devices when chain-up requirements or traction laws are in effect. This would allow motorists to prepare or install chains before reaching critical points in the canyon, reducing unsafe roadside stops and traffic congestion. Such a system would require coordination between UDOT, state emergency management, and cellular carriers. But it represents a practical and effective technological improvement for winter canyon operations. We have reached the end of the presentation. Thank you for listening.